Hello friends, welcome to Data Science Lovers. In this video, we will learn how to create 1D array, 2D array, 3D array, and we will also check the dimensions, shape and size of these arrays. So I am not covering the theoretical part in this video, I am covering only practical. So this is the example of array. This is 1D array where I have two elements. This is 2D array where we have two rows and three columns, and this is our 3D array where we have one matrix and three rows and three columns. So this is for your reference purpose only. First of all, we will import the numpy module. Import numpy as np. This is the syntax to import the numpy module. I will run this. The command has been executed. Now first of all, I will create a 1D array, and the syntax to create 1D array is our array name. Here I am giving the name a1 and np.array and round brackets. In these round brackets, we have to pass the elements for array. We can pass the elements in list or tuple form. Here I will pass the elements in list form. So I will write 1, 2, 3, 4. So these are the four elements that I have passed for this array. Now if I run this, then the command has been executed successfully. Now to have a look at my array, I will use print command or print function. Print a1. a1 is my variable where I have created the array. Now if you see here, this is my 1D array with four elements 1, 2, 3, 4. This is how we can create a 1D array. The syntax will be np, our numpy module dot array, and the elements in the round brackets. Now if I check the type of a1, you can see it is numpy dot nd array. Nd array is an array object. We can also check the shape of this array, writing the array name a1 or array variable name. You can say a1 dot shape. The shape is 4 here, means there are 4 elements, or you can say 4 columns in this array, and since there are no rows, so it is showing blank after comma. We can also check the size of this array, a1 dot size. This is the syntax, and it is showing 4, means there are 4 elements in this array. So this is how we can create a simple 1D array. Can check the type, shape and size of the arrays. Now we will create a 2D array. Again I will assign a variable name for my 2D array. I am assigning now a2. a2 equal to np dot array. Syntax to create a array. Here I will pass two square brackets because I have to create 2D array, and then I will pass the values 1, 2, 3, 4. This is my first element of this 2D array, and in second I will pass other values 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is how I will create a 2D array, means I have to pass two square brackets here. If you see here, one square bracket, first one is for the whole array and it is closing here, and this square bracket is for this list item, and this square bracket is for this item. So remember, whenever you want to create a 2D array, you have to pass two square brackets, or we can also pass a tuple here like this. Okay, but now I am passing only list. If I run this, the command has been successfully run. To have a look at my 2D array, print a2. So this is my 2D array. Here you can see there are 2 rows and 4 columns, and the number of brackets also here is 2. In earlier 1D array, the number of bracket is 1 only. So that's how you can recognize the array shape. Now if we also check the dimension using ndim, run this, means the dimension of this array is 2. And we can also check the shape. The shape is 2 comma 4, means there are 2 rows. In our first row we have elements 1 2 3 4, and in our second row we have elements 5 6 7 8, and there are 4 columns like this first, second, third, fourth. Okay, we can also check this size. There are 8 elements in this array, as you can see here. So this is the syntax to create a 2D array and checking the dimension, shape and size. To make a note, I have passed the comment here also, like ndim command is used for what, shape command is used for what, and size for what. Okay, now we will create a 3D array. Now to create a 3D array, again I will pass a variable name a3 here, and the syntax will be np.array. Here I will pass 3 square brackets because I have to create 3D array, and then I will pass the elements. I have passed the elements for the 3D array like this. My first list 1 2 3, comma my second list 4 5 6, comma my third list 7 8 9. Okay, and notice here we have 3 square brackets. Now if I run this, the command has been executed, and if I print this, this is my 3D array. You can recognize with these 3 square brackets also. You can also check the type, it is an array. And if we want to check the shape is 133. Now means there is one matrix and there are 3 rows and 3 columns in this array. We can also check the size of this array. The size is 9, means there are 9 elements in this array. So that's how we can create the 3D array, 2D array and 1D array. This is a simple process. Other functions and other features of array we will cover in our next video. If you want the notes for this course, then you can contact the given Gmail ID. Thank you friends. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel.